Yeah, hi.
So, actually, I have made a dashboard in which limit filter was there. So I made it using by using index.
Which filter? Which
So
filter?
limit,
You mean to say you need to see only top five or something like that?
not top five actually. I made actually limit not filter. Actually, it is a parameter. So I put it. I made it by using the index actually,
Okay.
and there is a totals summary totals that you can say like I made it in other sheet. So what happened when I am putting the any limit? So I'm not able to change the values in the like the other sheet. So is there any way to because I guess it need index, so I can't use index in other sheet.
Wait, let just guide me. I'm dragging subcategory and here you put some function, index function in the calculation. Okay. Now you created a parameter
Yes, yes, yes.
and what you did is that the one?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay. Okay. So when you change the parameter, the value should be changed. Okay.
Yes.
No.
So this is the case for the sheet one. So one sheet. So there is a totals associated with this sheet that is in other sheet. So how can I like filter out the totals in other sheet? Because
What totals? Now here I have sales. Okay. So in the other sheet, what do you have?
I have totals on category level actually.
You have by that I mean okay. Here I have subcategory. So here you have uh, category, and then you have sales. So you have these totals.
Yes. So I want actually by changing the
You
like
mean
parameter
to
to limit.
say if you change the here when you change the parameter, then these values also should change automatically.
Yes, yes, yes. I want this one actually.
When you change these values, you want to change the aggregations over there. Okay, do you have any specific order among these?
Uh, no, there is no specific order. It
Okay,
can come any of the order.
okay, okay, okay. Then wait. Okay, then do one thing. Rather than putting subcat only subcategory here, what I suggest is you put category and subcategory both. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now in the other sheet also I am bringing category and subcategory. Where is my subcategory? I am bringing my category and subcategory. Okay.
Okay.
Now what I am doing is I am taking window underscore sum, okay, of sum of sales, comma, one comma, I'm using the parameter one in here, okay, and I'm bringing this in here. Now what I'm doing is, oh sorry, it's not one, calculation 6, right? Edit, and it should be not one, it is first. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I am creating another calculation and I'm just saying first is equal to Wait,
Okay.
just a minute, just give me a second. What is the parameter value?
Parameter. Yes.
Then I should. Wait, give me a second. Calculation 6. Yeah, first is 6. I should have. What is the value? Wait, somewhere is a problem where I'm trying to get the values into some. So only give. It is 6. Uh, okay. Now let me make this one. 4, 4, 3, 2. Let me make this 0. Then go to my calculation 6. There, and just make this. Now I'm getting these. Oh, my calculation. Here it is minus. Now it is 4, 3, 5. Great. Now let me bring that again. Okay. I have to do one more thing. I'm bringing my sheet 5 and I'm bringing my sheet 6. Right?
Yes.
So here if you see the add, if you add these three values, you are getting that value 535034. Right? I'm putting 1. Let's come from 114860. I'm putting 2. These two addition. What is the value? 443329. Right?
So it is for actually category one actually having the furniture. If it would be more than one category,
Pardon?
then it is having only one category, that's furniture. If
No,
it would
let
have
me
more
put
than one
7.
category, then it shows on category level furniture and its totals and office supplies and its totals like that way.
You want again this to be not at this level but at
Category level.
category. So here it should be like the category when wait. Now we are taking 1, 2, 3 and n. Okay. Uh, but You need category. Here it should show furniture total aggregate and
It should show furniture and office supplies both total aggregate. Means furniture having one aggregation and office supplies having one aggregation.
no, it is going to be a bit problem because here when it is done till here, it should start showing you office supplies. Okay, then mm,
Rajesh, I have one idea.
just give me a second. Just give me a second. Let me think. Just give me a second. 1 second. Rather than doing this, if I take it and then okay, are these values going to be static? Or are they going to change frequently?
It is going to change as per the filter selection actually.
No. I'm saying the number of members in subcategory we have 17. In category we have 3.
Yes.
Are they going to change dynamically?
Yes, is it going to change dynamically based on the like if it will add then it will add a number of rows and if
No,
not
no, no.
then
My point is the values. Is there like bookcases, chairs? How frequent is the new value going to come?
it is like every day actually.
Okay. Then I was thinking about using parameter, which is not possible as what you are saying. Then what should I be doing is now okay. Uh, See, rather than index, we have to think about another way. So here these numberings, if I can give directly to this subcategory, whatever the dimension that you have, if I can give this numbering directly to that, then the problem will get resolved. But how do I give this to parameter, this into parameter? Like my thought process is I'm going to create a parameter. Now in this parameter, the thought process is to display them as values. So to display them as values, I need to number them 1, 2, 3, so that I can get 1, 2, 3 in here, and you can use that parameter. But to show it that way, then what we need is ability to convert them into numerical values. If you want to convert these into numericals, see here the issue is when you are using table calculations, it's hard for it to identify whether that is belonging to that category or not.
Yes, show the category.
Or let me here, if you want to show this category, then the aggregation in here, then wait, wait. When I use top in here, I am getting my, if I am getting my subcategory here, let me try that. Here I am bringing my subcategory. I am bringing subcategory to top, page filter, and I'm going to top by field. Here I am taking my parameter 1, sales. Now these are coming based on my parameter. Then I am applying this filter to my sales sheet 6. Okay, let me I am bringing my category here, and then I'm bringing my. Now what I'm doing is I'm applying this filter to my sheet 8. Now I'm bringing my 6. Perfecto. We got it. Okay. Under furniture, what is the value? 534415.
Yes.
534415. Clear?
Yes. Can we change the limit and can we see?
Yeah.
Limit.
Right. What is the value? 650. 650.
650. Yes, we got it.
Yeah. Okay.